Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your My Jewelry app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down, you keep going down here, come here to display mode on calendar, just click here in this side. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here display mode on calendar, it's enabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.